My name is Abuja Nigeria. I am from Senior Secondary School Karonmajigi, and this is my fellow colleagues. We are here to speak about the armor falcon, a migratory bird. A armor falcon is a bird of mine which migrates from Siberia to African lights. From Russia to Mozambique shore, a 22,000 miles journey twice a year every month.
Down in the skies where winds are sure, and China mountain where eagles belong.
Through Bangladesh where forests shrink, and Myanmar plains where habitat breaks.
With wings outstretched, the brave returns, through sun and storm, their path or rest. The hunter's nest, a deadly cruel fate, poison bait, and endless silent fate. Habitat loss, space, climate change.
Just in the fly. In plots of ground, the statements of nature stand fast. Their roots, a marvel, a story told of resilience, courage, young and old.
Let us protect this bird of prey, for their migration is our shared dream.
The armor falcon's migration routes. 1. Breeding ground. Siberia, Russia. 2. Wintering ground. Mozambique, Africa. 3. Migration routes. India, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar.
Challenges faced. 1. Habitat, loss of fragmentation. 2. Hunting and poaching. 3. Pollution with tribunals and power lines. 4. Poisoning from pesticide and leaf.
Conservation efforts. 1. Protection of habitats and corridors. 2. Anti-poaching laws and enforcement. 3. Research and monitoring. 4. Community engagement and education. 5. Sustainable land use practices. Thank you.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Otoma Sekasa, and I'm from JSS Karonmajigi. Here are my colleagues. We are here to present a short speech on the armor falcon's migration. Today, I want to talk about an incredible journey, one that spans continents and inspires all. The armor falcon, a small majestic bird, migrates 22,000 miles annually from Siberia to Africa and back. Imagine flying over 22 countries, braving storm, hunters, and habitat loss. These birds face numerous challenges, from poisoning to collision with wind turbines.
But why would we care? The armor falcon migration is a testament to nature's resilience. The journey shows us the interconnectedness of our world. However, their numbers are declining. Habitat destruction, hunting, and climate change can threaten their survival. We must act. We must protect their habitat, enforce anti-poaching laws, and support sustainable land use practices.
Let us join the force and safeguard.